What's up guys, today's video's on the top 5 best solar power generators 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you would like to see more details on these products and the updated prices, please check out the description below and be sure to subscribe to get more reviews. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. The solar-powered ECOFLOW EFDELTA solar generator is a solar-powered kit that allows you to power up your homes and appliances even when the sun is not out. It features a built-in solar panel, inverter, battery pack, AC/DC charger, and plug-in for mobile charging. The kit includes one 260 Wh solar generator, one 160 W foldable solar panel, and all the accessories needed for it to work. With 6 1800 W AC outlets and 1260 Wh capacity, you can simultaneously plug up to 13 devices, including smartphones, laptops, refrigerators, and more. We were really impressed by how fast charging this solar generator is. You can recharge it from 0% to 80% in approximately 1 hour, which is pretty impressive, especially when in emergencies. This is possible with its patented ECOFLOW Extreme technology. In addition, the ECOFLOW EFDELTA is waterproof too. It can endure any weather condition, even the extreme ones. This makes it a great option for outdoor activities like hiking or camping. The device can be submerged in water for up to 30 minutes too. Number 4. Weighing in at a relatively light 13.3 pounds, the compact, durable, and affordable Jackery Explorer 500 lets you take solar-powered electricity along on every adventure. The 500-watt inverter provides enough juice for charging multiple devices in either of the AC or DC ports or one of the 3 USB ports. It comes with a car charging cable and an AC adapter. Like many of the solar generators in the Jackery family, the unit can be recharged from an AC wall outlet or with a Jackery Solar Saga solar panel, sold separately. The 518-watt rechargeable battery will need replacing after about 500 uses, but that's after a lot of camping trips. Number 3. Looking for a solar power generator perfect for camping, emergencies, or any other situation where you need portable power? The BLUETTI AC 200P solar generator is a lightweight generator that you can easily transport. Plus, its quiet solar panel charges the battery when exposed to sunlight. The AC 200P solar generator is powered by a 2000-watt solar panel, quickly and easily attached to the generator. The solar panel collects energy from the sun, which then charges the internal battery. The battery can provide enough power to recharge your phones, tablets, laptops, and other devices. It has a USB port for charging mobile devices, 2 AC outlets for powering appliances, and 2 12-volt DC ports that are perfect for outdoor activities like tailgating, camping trips, or your backyard soirees. The unit weighs just 60.6 pounds, making it perfect for transporting in a car, RV, camping equipment, ATV/UTVs, and so on. And you can easily roll it on its built-in wheels wherever you need it. No wonder BLUETTI claims this solar generator is perfectly designed for everyday use. Number 2. The Generark Solar Power Bundle is one of the best solar power generator deals today for its durability, reliability, and versatility. The bundle comes with Home Power 1 backup battery power station and the Solar Power 1 solar panel powered generator. With the Generark Solar Power Bundle, you can use your electronic devices and home appliances in emergency cases for up to 7 days. This solar power generator features a 32-cell solar panel, making it 50% more efficient. This is one of the reasons why we rated this particular solar generator as the best value option. What more? It also comes with 3 AC outlets, 4 USB ports, and 1 car outlet, giving you enough coverage for various situations. Furthermore, the Generark Solar Power Bundle also comes with 6 protection modules and 4 safety and reliability standards, ensuring that you are getting nothing but the safest option. Charging this solar power generator is relatively easy too. You actually have 3 options with this: recharge by solar, AC outlet, or your car outlet. Whatever your choice is, Generark Solar Power Bundle is indeed another deal breaker. Number 1. The Jackery Explorer 1000 is a solar power generator with a lot to offer its users. One of the best things about this solar generator is that it is very portable. It only weighs just over 20 pounds, so it is easy to take with you wherever you go. The Jackery Explorer 1000 also has a built-in solar panel, making it easy to charge up no matter where you are. In addition, the Jackery Explorer 1000 has a 1000 watt-hour battery, which means that it can provide plenty of power for your needs. It also comes with several ports, including 2 USB ports, 2 DC ports, and an AC port. This allows you to easily connect all your necessary devices to the solar generator. The Jackery Explorer 1000 isn't noisy, unlike other solar power generators, making it the perfect option for both outdoor and at-home emergency needs. But what makes this solar power generator a great deal is that it comes with 6 layers of protection for your safety and convenience. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.